Today in this video, I will share my experience of using domain from Hostinger. I have bought only domain from Hostinger and bought web hosting services from Onohosting. Hostinger is a cheap web hosting and domain services provider, which is reputed one like GoDaddy, Bluehost, INTERSERVER, etc. If you are new here on my YouTube channel, please share this video and do subscribe. Thanks. Most hosting providers lock you into long-term contracts. This can be risky when you have to pay a few thousands rupees upfront to get the best price. With Hostinger, you will have an option to pay the plan year-wise, can cost you less than 100 rupees. Plus they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's worth testing them out. Apart from it, you can cancel the subscription anytime. You can see here, getting domain is likely to below the price of rupees 100 when compared to other service provider like GoDaddy. Unlike some old web hosting providers, Hostinger's website user interface is quite modern, in a way that makes it easier for you to navigate, thereby offering a fantastic ease of use. The user interface is built, keeping human behavior in mind. After logging in the website header, you will find pages like hosting, emails, domains, VPS, billing, help and store. This is amazing because, regardless of which page or location you are at, the above mentioned pages are just a click away. You can see, here I have bought a domain, which will expire next year. Now, click here on Manage button. You can see here on dashboard, we are getting domain information, along with domain name server settings. Also we can disable auto renewal option, in order to prevent it from renewal of payment subscription. We also get transfer lock option, which means, without your permission, it is not possible to transfer your domain, even after it gets expired. You will also get an option, Who is Privacy, which means, it will hide your domain information privacy. If you buy cheap domain from any service providers, it will have a drawback that cheap domain will have to struggle for ranking the website on Google search engine or any other search engine. Let's test domain ranking on different search engine. You can see, this domain is ranking on Google search engine. I have bought this domain name from Hostinger and web hosting services from Onohosting. It is well known that, if your website takes a long time to load, Google will penalize you for that. Part of what makes your website load fast is your web hosting plan. So, it is okay if you have cheap domain but premium web hosting. As for customer satisfaction, you can try out Hostinger worry-free. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to their subscribers, letting you try their services with minimal commitment. When you are purchasing a domain from Hostinger, you will get multiple payment options to opt, such credit card, UPI, Paytm, net banking, PayPal. It has some disadvantages too. If you need help over some specific topic, definitely you will go to help section. But you can see, you will get autopilot chatbot. Or you can get another option, which is live chat, to express your issue to one of Hostinger agent. But rather than these two options, you will not get telephonic support from Hostinger. This may disappoint you. I am using Hostinger domain from February 2023, and I didn't get any issue till today, while using it for continuously. I have connected my Hostinger domain to INTERSERVER web hosting, 000 web hosting, and Onohosting. I did not get any issue, while changing domain name server to connect web hostings. In my opinion, Hostinger is best and cheap web hosting, and domain register provider. I hope you have liked my contents, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks. If you want to know how to connect 000 web host to Hostinger, click on next video.